Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2018 deal Lincoln Shield Penny. Yeah, in top condition. Le- Let's find out the value or the price of a 2018 deal Lincoln Shield Penny. Okay, now let's read first what is written on the coin. It's very important. In God we trust. Liberty 2018 D. At the back of the coin, United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. Okay, what is means of e pluribus unum? It's a Latin phrase that stands for out of many, one. That is e pluribus unum, okay? Let's go back and let's talk about the value. Let's find out. Let's find out now the value or the price of a 2018 D Lincoln Shield Penny in top condition. Okay, here we go. Uncirculated 2018 D pennies are generally worth 10 cents to 30 cents, while the most valuable 2018 D penny was graded MS69RD by Numismatic Guarantee Company and fetched, wow, $5,995.95 in a 2019 sale. Wow, wow, wow. $5,995.95 in 2019 sale, graded MS69RD by Numismatic Guarantee Company. Wow, 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 2018 D penny. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. And have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.